Well, we're out here at Blue Knob State Park, I think it is, or something like that. First time being here. Gonna go ahead and prep for Iceland. As you can see, there's lots of rolling hills and mountains, so we're gonna be prepping by going up and down those. Going about 10 miles, then possibly going and driving away, because we're in a state park, and camping on the Lost Turkey Trail, or just stealth camping it somewhere in these woods. Tis a beautiful day. Those are milkweed.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you open one of those up, it'd be milkweed inside. Just hiking along and found this foundation on the side of the trail. Wonder what it used to be. Little hunting cabin type deal. Oh, I'm in the doorway now. 15 by like 10 little cabin. Pretty cool. Found me some chicken in the woods. Look at that beauty right there. Shit, too bad I don't have anything to cook it with, but I'm still gonna take a little bit. Alright. That should be good enough to try. Now you see why it looks like chicken in the woods, because it's like chicken feet. Nice little view from one of the campsites. Pretty developed part of the trail. Well, trails. We're not on a prescribed trail. We're making up our own routine. But it's like a little grain silo. Confined space. Do not enter.
I wouldn't.
I'm curious now, though. Like you told me do not enter. Oh, I can't go down there. Never mind.
Oh, what is it?
It's just piping.
Wells.
I got excited. I wanted to go on an adventure on an adventure. Well, we've hiked up approximately 1,500 feet. Same amount we're going to be doing first day in Iceland.
Yep.
And we're going up the Mountain View Trail. So all I got to say is there better be a goddamn view at the top of this mountain. Because there hasn't been any so far. What's up with these mountain views? Just a mountain little bald here. Because we're in the Sound of Music. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if there's any goddamn mountain views on top of this mountain. At the end of the Mountain View Trail. I think it's a goddamn lie.
I think so.
Follow this road that goes back to where we came out of anyway. Well, we found the ski resort. Finally, at the end of the other road. Ooh, a pond. Squirrel. That's how that short mine goes.
ADD.
Man, if only we didn't have to hike out too. Fish some tenkara. You see that, Sam? Mountain manager. Good catch. Well, it's an old ski resort, but that is the fucking view I've been waiting for since I got up here. But man.
What the hell?
It's about as good condition as Boston Mills brandy wine. They have bars on their chair.
Yeah.
But that is still a nice, decent view.
Wow.
I feel like an urban explorer.
You're right.
Just in the middle of this abandoned ski resort. that turned out to be a cool little find, going to the ski lodge or ski resort at Summit Lodge. That was at 3,172 feet.
Yep, you got it.
So, officially one of the highest points in Pennsylvania. Now we're hiking back down. I mean, we didn't go all the way there with our packs, but you also didn't see the like half-hour detour we took down the wrong trail. So, in all fairness, we made up the time for not taking the packs. Well, we're back at the car after the about 10-mile day hike. Gonna have to go find the national forest to camp at. But it's pretty much what we did. So we went down there, went into the valley, went around, and came up on top where that antenna is. That's where the ski lodge is, right on the other side. You can see that other structure up there, maybe if I'm good at zooming in, and if my finger's not in the way, and a whole bunch of other variables that I'm not sure of right now with this new camera.